wet. I don't get to listen.
Hey Eddie, this is for you. I'm up at Marquette. My sister Susan and I, we picked the camp. 27 degrees Fahrenheit, snow, cold, freezing rain. So we came to Marquette on the shore of Lake Superior. We're just out for a day hike. This is the Dead River. Flows down maybe about 3-4 miles and it dumps into Lake Superior. Just a beautiful spot.
Did you ever see a fish slip over that, Ozzy?
Boy, it'd be a rare thing. Rare, rare thing. You might be more apt to see them on the lower edges trying to come up.
Oh my God, in Kalamazoo, I saw him coming up from that.
Did you?
Yeah, jumping that. The fish ladder.
Oh yeah.
No, Rockport. Rockport.
Very beautiful. When I passed one of the lakes a few miles to the west of here, it was still completely iced in. So this is just the start of the runoff here. Very late spring, even for the UP of Michigan. All the best, guys.